Welcome back to our final penmanship lesson for this term. And you know, as always, we will need our workbook, our pencil, and our pointer finger. And we will also need, for this one, we're going to be using markers today. So on Wednesday, we looked at the number, who remembers? The number 9. And we said that number 9's writing rhyme goes like this. A loop and a line, and that makes 9. Now, we are going to be moving on to which number? Number 10. And funny enough, number 10 does not have a writing rhyme because he is easy peasy Japanesey lemon squeezy. But do you notice something? Number 10 has 2 different digits or 2 different numbers. Number 10 has a 1 and a 0. Do you notice that the number 1 is on the left side and number 0 is on the right side? When we write our number 10, we always start off with the number 1 first and then we write the 0 next to it. So watch how Miss Hines is going to trace it with her pointer finger. I'll zoom in for you. So we always write the number 1 first and the number 1 goes on the left side. So remember, we start number 1 at the top and then we come across and we do our 0. Oh, that was easy peasy. Let me try the next one. Right, let's go to the second line. Remember, we always write the number 1 first and then the 0. Next one. Last one. All right, that was so easy. So let's get our pencil ready. Remember how we hold it. And we're going to trace our number 10s on these 2 lines and then we'll try the bottom one. Ooh, I hope no one gets tricked with that one. Before we begin, remind me, which number are we going to be tracing first when we write the number 10? Are we going to do the 0 first or are we going to do the 1 first? Let's see who remembers. If you said write the number 1 first, you are correct. So remember, hold your paper steady. We write the 1 first, and then we put the 0 right next to it. Beautiful. Move your hand across. Let's try the next one. Great. Try the last one on this line. Awesome. Okay, we're moving down to the next line. So we're going to try this one. Remember, we always start with the number 1 and then we do the 0 after. Take your time, take your time. Next one. Last one on this line. Awesome job. Now we're going to move on to this tricky line where we only have a few dotted lines to trace on and we have to finish off our numbers. So let's see if Miss Hines is going to get it or will I get tricked? When I write the number 10, which number do I write first? Do I write the number 1 first or do I write number 0 first? I think it's the number 1 first. Yes! Then I have to write 0 after. Aha! Number 10. Let's see if I can get the next one. Don't get tricked, okay? And then a 0 Whoa, easy peasy. Last one. 0. What? Look at all of those number 10s that we've just finished. Now we know that the bottom space on our page is where we draw our shapes. And today we're going to have an easy peasy shape to draw. We are going to do 10 circles. 10 circles. So help me count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 circles. Okay, so our first page is done. So now we are going to turn over to our number 10 worksheet. Oh, but I've got to turn my book a different way this time. Okay, so let's read our instructions at the top. It says count the items below and trace the numbers. So let's count our flowers first. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 flowers. Now before we color our flowers, let's trace our number 10 at the bottom here. Now do you notice that the number 1 has a little hook? We're not going to trace on that little hook. We're only going to do it straight down. So watch Miss Hines. Start at the top and you come straight down. Great. And then right here is 0. Remember to take your time. Keep your eyes on your paper. And remember, you can tell your hand and tell your pencil to slow down if they're going too quickly so that you can stay on the line. We want our writing to look neat and tidy. Beautiful job. Keep going. We're almost finished and then we get to color. Or if you would like, you can use paint for your flowers, or you can even use glitter for your flowers. But Miss Hines is going to use markers today when she's coloring her flowers. I've run out of glitter. All right, we've got 2 more number 10s to do. Let's make them the best ones yet. Ooh, this one looks good. Last one. Awesome job. Now we get to color our flowers, and you can choose any color you want. You can even do them in rainbow colors. And there we have it. We have finished our last lesson in penmanship for our numbers. I hope you had a great time joining me for each session, and I will see you next time. Bye.